All right, it's the weekend. Let's do the Astro Excel for next week. And then I guess on Monday I'll put out the month of April Astro Excel. Here, as we move into Sunday, we're pushing down to the zero line with the green. And then we move up, and then we're up above plus 10 all week with a couple of bounces above the plus 20 area. So we're looking relatively bullish there. We peak out here on Tuesday between 1400 and 1700 near the end of the session Tuesday. And we're down around the plus 5 area. Off of that, we come back up, or rather 15 area. And then we come back up, we're up above plus 20 again on the second on Wednesday into Thursday. Then we drop downward, still mostly above the plus 10 line, except for this area here where we breached that a little bit in the evening, late Thursday into Friday morning period there. Key blue line spikes. The first important one comes on Tuesday in the 8 o'clock hour. Then we don't have another one until the quiet part of the session at 2200 on Wednesday. Then we're kind of inside the 0 minus 10 line for the next day and a half, and we get a big spike to the downside Friday at 1300, and that does it for the week as the next spike comes after the close of trading on Friday. So that's what we're looking at for the weekly this week. I will come back and give the month of April on Monday.